good YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with another video for you guys. Back with these Tonic videos. We got some huge news today. We got some amazing news. We got the FOMC, PPI, well CPI, PPI tomorrow and Thursday. But we also got even greater news than that, which could be great for the overall markets. Tonic included, Crow also included. We know Crow starts crushing it, Tonic will follow, guys. I'm telling you, it's just a matter of time, matter of patience. I hope you guys have been accumulating. You guys haven't been getting distracted, you know. Stay accumulating your bags. I'm telling you, don't miss out on this bull run that's about to melt all of our faces in the future, and it could be happening very soon. Now, Tonic fam, as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project, because crypto is very risky and very volatile. And if you support the channel, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself is in the description. Tonic sitting at $33.4 million in market cap, 73k 24-hour trade volume, 30,749 people on the Tonic watch list. People are still super bullish, man. People are, well, they got the bears. The bears are here. The bears are here, but people like Davo, Crypto King, still super bullish. I'm bullish on Tonic. It's the best. Davo, Damboro, love the nickname. You're giving me Davo. Cheers. Considering you were very bullish on Tonic earlier January, it just shows how gullible you are. Just because it's dropped in price like the rest of the market, you've decided to be a turncoat after being taken in by your new friends. I'm surprised you haven't blocked me like they have. So they got some drama in the Tonic community, but that, you know, remember guys, this is just how crypto investors are. Price goes up, everyone's happy. Price comes down, everybody's sad. Nothing has changed in the protocol, nothing has changed as far as the project. The team is still building, the community is still very active and engaged. The team is doing their best to bring new utilities to the protocol. You know, everything that screams, okay, this is bullish, but price is going down, so you know, the bears are super upset. The bears are coming out. People are panicking. They're like, no, why is it going down? Why is it? You know, if you think crypto is just gonna be up only, you got another thing coming. So Tonic is down 2%. Crypto is never gonna just be up only, guys, and that's just how it is. I also, again, new exchange listings for Tonic. You can't rule out that possibility, because I'm sure the team could get a few exchange listings, even if it's not tier 1 exchanges. Gate.io, Mexi, L-Bank, Bitmart, Bybit, these type of exchanges. I'm sure the team could do that. I'm not sure if they just want to stay fully consistent to the Crow ecosystem though, because crypto.com is one of the biggest exchanges to be on, you know. So I'm not sure if they just want to stay fully on the Crow ecosystem. But I think, you know, spreading your legs to other exchanges so people could buy from all different platforms is a win, in my opinion. Will be a win to do that, right? So a lot of people don't use crypto.com. They got people that use other exchanges. You know, Mexi Global is a very popular one that a lot of people are using right now, and it doesn't take much to get listed there, because a ton of meme coins got listed there, right? So future exchange listings for the project, wouldn't rule that out. You never know. I think, you know, it all really depends on the time, and I think the team will wait until, you know, the markets are bullish to give us extra amazing news, right? But yeah, from Watcher Guru, US Congressman officially files bill to fire the SEC chair Gary Gensler. Get him out of here. This is the most bullish news we've gotten in a long time. This is the most bullish news we've gotten in a long time, and that's gonna be great for the markets, great for Crow and Tonic, in my opinion. Get Gary Gensler out of here. From Warren Davison News Today, I filed the SEC Stabilization Act to restructure the SEC Gov and fire Gary Gensler. U.S. capital markets must be protected from a tyrannical chairman, including the current one. It's time for real reform and to fire Gary Gensler as the chair of the SEC. And we have a statement. U.S. capital markets must be protected from a tyrannical chairman, right? Tom Emmer joined me in this critical fight to protect our markets. American investors and industry deserve clear and consistent oversight, not political gamesmanship. The SEC Stabilization Act will make common sense changes to ensure that the SEC priorities are with the investors they are charged to protect and not the whims of the reckless cheer. Huge shout outs to Warren Davidson. I'm looking to see how this goes, man. We need to stand up and fight and push back crypto, but guess what? Crypto, it will win at the end of the day. It will win at the end of the day, whether the US wants to be a part of it or not. This is why we're in DeFi. You know, all of you guys who have your Tonic on chain, it's a W, right? Crypto.com, for example, if you just have it on Crypto.com, in Crypto.com's DeFi wallet or Crypto.com exchange, you are still a winner, because Crypto.com could just move, you know, they could just move their company to international. You know, I mean, I'm sure they already have the international firm, but the Crypto.com US branch, it could just do like Coinbase and go full international, right? Because I think that's what Coinbase is gonna be. That's what it's leading towards. Coinbase going full international, right? But yeah, this is bullish news. We'll see how it goes. I also got a quick video for you guys, so let's check that out.
The biggest crypto failure in history is probably FTX at $9 billion. Were you the chairman of the SEC when FTX collapsed?
Hold on, let me actually maximize this. This is from Altcoin Daily, talking about the SEC Stabilization Act, man. I should have maximized it at first. My apologies. Let's go.
The biggest crypto failure in history is probably FTX at $9 billion. Were you the chairman of the SEC when FTX collapsed?
Yes.
And how many times did you meet with FTX prior to their collapse?
I think my public record shows 2.
You met it with FTX at least twice. And arguably, the second biggest crypto failure in history was Terra Luna. Who was the chairman of the SEC when Terra Luna collapsed, sir?
We had brought...
You were, sir, reclaiming my time. You were. Does it concern you that your approach to the digital asset industry is actually driving this industry out of the United States?
Trying to drive it to compliance, and if they're not complying with the laws...
You say the crypto market is rife with non-compliance. However, existing SEC rules make no sense for blockchain-based companies, and following them would actually kill these businesses. Your regulatory style lacks flexibility and nuance, and as a result, you've been an incompetent cop on the beat, doing nothing to protect everyday America. The biggest crypto...
Giving it to him, Mr. Emmer. Mr. Emmer name right here. Absolutely giving it to Gary Gensler, man. Get Gary out of here. Soon as Gary gets out of here, XRP is gonna send, and the rest of the market is gonna send. Get Gary out of here. Great video from Altcoin Daily. They are, you know, they are staying amazing to like their brand as being one of the top crypto, you know, influencers in the space, right? But yeah, great, amazing video, great news, guys. Mr. Emmer absolutely sticking it to Gary Gensler himself, causing all this FUD, causing all these all the projects that we're in to dump. Get it out of here, man. This bear market has been brutal, absolutely brutal, and we deserve financial freedom. Everybody that's in crypto right now, all you Tonic holders, Crow holders that's watching, you deserve financial freedom. And we'll get it before you know it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description. Again, like I said earlier. Also, I started a Patreon, so if you guys could do your best, if you guys are watching, you want to support the channel further, your contributions would be highly appreciated if you could become a Patreon. Patreon gives you access to my private Discord where you could talk to me directly, and you know, with my crypto elites here, you get access to my buy alerts and sell alerts, so we could flip bags, we could flip some projects to get more Tonic or Crow, right? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.